Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change.
Hi everyone, Shannon Thonise here. Welcome to my channel. This video today is going to be on how I arch my brows using a brow razor. Now I'm going to be showing you the products that I use to arch my brows. I use Gillette shaving cream, an eyebrow razor, an eyebrow brush, eyebrow powder, and eyebrow gel. So I start off by applying some shaving cream to the palm of my hand and spreading it out. Now I apply the shaving cream around my brows. If you would like, you can outline the shape of your brows to make it easier to arch.
Without you, I remember myself, my name.
Now I take my eyebrow razor and I clean up around my brows where I applied shaving cream. I use my eyebrow razor going in the opposite direction of how my hair grows, all the way around my brows. Now I change the direction that I'm using my brow razor to get any hairs that I missed. Now I repeat the steps that I did on my other brow on this brow. Now I'm going to take my eyebrow brush and brush my eyebrow hairs upwards. Now I'm going to go back in with my eyebrow razor and clean up my brows more. Now I'm going to take my clear brow gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills and style my eyebrow hairs. Now I'm going to take my eyebrow powder by LA Colors and fill in my brows. This completes my video on how I arch my brows using a brow razor. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what you think. If you have any ideas or requests, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.